Join us as we roam around Itaewon Market. This is a continuation of our previous vlog, the Alpaca World plus Nami Island tour. We were supposed to have dinner here, but the wait list is too long. We're at number 24. So we took a bus and went to Itaewon instead.
Lagi, no?
Ano sa din eh?
Yung
Like
sa
foreigners. Ay, mga clubs na, hindi magkasulod o partner. Lagi? Yes. Sige. Ito, makita akong tripod. Manggod. Oh, mga pila lang ka seconds ba? Ang katong asa nag dili, asa nag sapid money. Sila. Adult shop. I want to go in, but I'm scared. Dobby! Baka gusto niyong mag-check. Mana mo olive yang? I don't do olive yang anyway. This was the first time I saw trash on Korea Street, but that's probably because it's Sunday and they probably don't collect garbage on Sundays. McDonald's naman. Ali Market. Wala lagi tao. Maybe it's closed because it's Sunday. Ano sa'yo? Magandang umaga. Magandang hapon. Uy, close sila. They have two markets, the Alley Market and the Itaewon Market, and it seems both markets are closed on Sunday, so we just went to find somewhere to eat. Go na! Go na! Go up, go up, go up! Parker South Factory. Lamay bitaw? After eating, we strolled down the club scene, and unfortunately, I forgot to turn off my time lapse. So forgive my slowed down time lapse videos. This is all I got there. They have an Itaewon class poster here.